My name is Elizabeth Agaba, and I choose to come for this seminar today because my sister and I have always wanted to start an agency of our own. And coming to this seminar today, my experience has been really insightful because Joe has covered all my areas of worries. He spoke about all the things that we need as a startup. So the expertise of our SU, I find from this seminar is going to be very useful. Not only are we going to be starting up a small business, starting up an agency, but the support is there, so there's no need to worry or fear. And the good thing about it is we are going to be independent as individuals running our own business, and also have the opportunity to impact lives as well, because from the seminar I've learned quite a lot of things that I would not be doing wrong if I had started without the seminar. You know, mistakes that people would often make when they start a business. They think they know what they're doing, but however, the things that I would normally not do are the things that this seminar has opened my eyes to. So I believe that having had the opportunity to attend this seminar, we would be able to do things right and hopefully capture the niche that we are looking at capturing in healthcare.